Hi guys, I'm now in the headquarters of Llumar, and with me here is Adam. So Adam, you are an expert in paint protection film.
Yeah.
Okay. So Llumar now has they are offering a lineup of PPF products to protect your car. Okay. And right here we now have Bobby's 6 Series, which is, well, not fully but partially protected by with Llumar's PPF, and very strategically protected. Okay, so we know Bobby doesn't really jaga his car so much lah. So you see all the bonnet here, right? All the stone chip here, all this kena over the years. But still, this car has it has aged very well in its appearance, and so he didn't so for what you call it? So for this this application, right? What he has done is he has had his headlamps protected, the front bumper protected, and the side mirror protected. Okay, so very strategically protected in the sense that the most vulnerable parts of the car are covered. So let's take, for example, the side mirrors. You all know, stuck in traffic jam, right? Your side mirrors very easily, maybe motorbike just run up, pop, whack your side mirror, and you know it can leave scratches in your side mirror. So you have a protection there that that covers you from that bit of damage. And the front, of course, no need to say. You travel on highway. We don't say whether you speed or not lah. Let's say you drive on according to the national speed limit, 110 kilometers per hour. Just imagine all the pebbles that the car in front kick out, flying to you, okay, and you are hitting all these little sands and pebbles at 110 kilometers per hour. So imagine the damage that is regularly being done to the front end of your car every day as you hit the road. Okay, so headlamps. Now headlamps are the most, what you call it, the most tricky things to replace, because you see now modern day headlamps, we don't talk about BMW first, let's talk about Honda. Honda HRV headlamp is, if you buy the one with the LED headlamp, is 4,000 ringgit one side. Okay, so then you think about insurance costs. Now, when you insure your car, you have special windscreen protection insurance. That one does not affect your NCD. So let's say like your windscreen break, you change your windscreen, claim insurance, it doesn't affect your NCD. But this guy here, okay, if let's say like anything require you to change, then you'll be thinking, shit, do I fork out that 4,000 ringgit up front, or do I claim the insurance and over the next 5 years pay back by losing out my NCD? Okay, so that is why we highly recommend Llumar's paint protection film for those, especially for those of you guys driving new cars with fancy LED headlights. And I mean, how long does the protection last?
We warranty up to 5 years.
Warranty up to 5 years. Okay, but typically
lasts more than that.
Last more than that.
Yeah.
But never mind lah. Let's
you need to take care of it.
take care of it.
Yeah.
Let's say 5 years lah. Okay. So the cost of this is how much?
It's around 1,300.
1,300 for the package, right? So 1,300. Let's say like you spread that cost over 5 years. So 1,300 divide 5 is bro. Help me out with my maths. 300 plus, right? So 300 plus a year to protect your headlamps. But I think somebody once said that these things will easily last beyond that. So 300 per year, that is a very, very, very conservative estimate. Okay. Now, so now we look at how these things work. So you said this one has a self-healing property. So means that if I kena batu, okay, then it will leave a mark,
Yes.
So the mark will disappear.
Yes, correct.
How does it? So, but the thing is that it's not like it's cabal doesn't. There will be a mark there.
Yeah, there will be a mark.
There will be a mark there,
Yes.
but
it can self-heal after applying heat. So the heat can come from direct sunlight and also the heat from your car body.
okay. So it is a film.
Yes.
So this film layer here,
Yes.
so you expose it to sunlight,
Yeah.
all right, or heat, any sort of
Any
heat source.
source,
So because when the thing is that when you, let's say when you cut, when you scratch it, it is basically that film part there, it split, right?
Yes, correct.
All right. So when you apply heat, it closes.
Yes. It
Oh.
will disappear.
Okay. So, but what's the material?
The material, so this PPF is made from what we call thermal polyurethane.
Thermopolyurethane.
So it have a special coating that
Okay.
is scratch resistant and also chemical resistant.
Oh, okay.
And the best part is the properties of the film is stretchable. So
Okay.
that's where we get the self-healing properties.
Right,
So
right.
once we get cut, because of the stretchiness, after we apply the heat, it will expand and close.
Oh,
again.
okay. Because it's so basically this film,
Yeah.
the physical properties of this film is sensitive to heat.
Yes. You can see that.
Okay. It responds to heat lah. So right now I see you have a sample here.
We have a sample here. This is a film.
Okay.
We already take out the liner.
Okay.
It's quite thick.
Okay.
Compared to normal tinted film or other film, it's around.
Yeah. I can feel the thickness by. In fact, guys, when I run my hands, right, the bonnet here is unprotected. Right? I run my hands.
Yes, you can feel.
I can feel the change in surface texture. This is, of course, we just newly applied, right?
Yeah.
Much smoother than this one.
But you retain the color of the car.
Yes,
right?
it
It's
retains.
invisible.
So in terms of appearance, there is no change. You don't see a dual tone or a mismatch in the color.
Correct.
All right.
So as you can see here, this is a film.
Mm-hmm.
So it's can scratch. See?
Okay, guys, you can see you can see his hand shaking one so he's putting a lot of strength in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And comes back to original.
Oh.
See?
And this part is sticky.
Yes, this part is sticky for applying. Yes, this sticky part is the adhesive. It's a special adhesive where we can stick. Maybe after 5 years you want to change your car paint or something, you just can remove it with some application of heat.
So it's removable without
Yeah,
damaging the
removable
paint.
without damaging the paint.
And then this is also important because we have to bear in mind one thing. These paint protection films, right? I mean, it's a fantastic product, but it has limitations also lah. So if let's say like you get into a severe accident, you langgar motorbike or you langgar another vehicle, right? There will still be damage to your car, unavoidable. But when you change your new bumper into place, you can reapply. Yeah. Or let's say like some parts where you have to respray, you can peel off the film, and then you can reapply again.
Yes.
I see. Hey, bro, is there a way for us to demonstrate the self-healing property?
Yeah.
Do you have a sample for us to scratch?
Want to try it on your car body or?
Hey, don't bro, don't scratch my boss's car, bro. I scared I lose my job, bro.
Okay, we have some samples here.
Okay.
So this sample is already applied with PPF film.
Yeah.
You can see here.
You can see the split line here, yeah.
line.
So this is unprotected.
Yes, this
We
is
won't touch this.
Correct.
And this is the protected part.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have this toothbrush.
This is a very
Very thick brush.
basically this brush is rough enough to scratch your itch lah.
Yeah. So you can apply. See, the unprotected is already scratched.
Already gone.
Yeah. But here, nothing.
See the difference, guys? Amazing. Okay, Adam, thanks for sharing. Great information. So guys, if you guys are interested to apply Llumar paint protection film on your car, drop us a line on Facebook. We'll hook you guys up with the Llumar installers and get you the best price we can. Okay, cheers.